See, I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve.
Welcome to Speak English with Hollywood.
Listen and repeat.
Never start with the head. The victim gets all fuzzy. He can't feel the neck.
Never start with the head. The victim gets all fuzzy. He can feel the next.
You wanted me. Here I am.
You wanted me? Here I am.
I wanted to see what you'd do. And you didn't disappoint.
I wanted to see what you do. And you didn't disappoint.
You let 5 people die.
You let 5 people die.
Then you let Dent take your place.
Then you let Dent take your place.
Even to a guy like me, that's cold.
Even to a guy like me, that's cold.
Where's Dent?
Those mob fools want you gone so they can get back to the way things were.
Where's Dent? Those mob fools want you gone so they can get back to the way things were.
But I know the truth. There's no going back.
But I know the truth. There is no going back.
You've changed things. Forever.
You've changed things forever.
And why do you want to kill me?
Then why do you want to kill me?
I don't want to kill you. What would I do without you?
I don't want to kill you. What would I do without you?
Go back to ripping off mob dealers? No, you complete me.
What would I do without you? Go back to ribbon of mob dealers? No, you complete me.
You're garbage who kills for money.
You're garbage who kills for money.
Don't talk like one of them. You're not. Even if you'd like to be.
Don't talk like one of them. You're not, even if you'd like to be.
To them, you're just a freak. Like me.
To them, you're just a freak like me.
They need you right now. When they don't, they'll cast you out. Like a leper.
They need you right now, but when they don't, they'll cast you out. Like a leper.
See, their morals, their code. It's a bad joke.
You see their morals, their code. It's a bad joke.
We've dropped at the first sign of trouble.
Dropped at the first sign of trouble.
They're only as good as the world allows them to be.
They're only as good as the world allowed them to be.
I'll show you. When the chips are down, these civilized people, they'll eat each other.
I'll show you. When the chips are down, these civilized people, they'll eat each other. See, I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve. See, I'm not a monster. I'm just ahead of the curve.
Let's learn some new words and expressions from our scenes. Victim, a person who has been harmed or injured as a result of someone else. Example, the victim of a robbery lost his wallet and phone. Disappointed means to fail to meet someone's expectations or hopes. Example, the movie disappointed me. It wasn't as good as I had expected. Ripping off means stealing from mob dealers, criminal organizations. Example, the thieves were caught red-handed, ripping off jewelry from the store. Morals, principles of behavior that are considered right or wrong. They guide our actions and decisions. Example, he has a strong sense of right and wrong, which guides his moral decisions. Trouble means difficulty or problem. Example, I am having trouble understanding this math problem. When the chips are down is an idiom that means a situation has become very difficult or a time of crisis. Example, you'll really know your true friends are when the chips are down. Ahead of the curve means that someone is doing something before most other people. Example, I've been using this new app for months. I'm just ahead of the curve.